Welcome to this tutorial. How to earn money on YouTube. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Do you want to know how to earn money on YouTube? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of monetizing your YouTube channel and making money from your videos. Let's see the steps. Open your web browser. Type youtube.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Sign In button at the top right if you are not signed in. Enter your email and click on the Next button. Enter your Google account password and click on the Next button. If the two-step verification is on, then click on an option to receive the code. Enter the verification code and click on the Next button. After logging in, click on the profile icon at the top right. Click on the Create a Channel option from the drop-down list. Give a name to your channel and then click on the Create Channel link. Click on your profile icon at the top right and then select YouTube Studio. Click on the Earn tab and you will find information on different ways to earn money on YouTube. But for that, you have to meet the minimum requirements of YouTube, like need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Also, you have to follow the community guidelines of YouTube. Click on Customization on the left side panel and set some important settings here, like layout, set branding, and complete the basic info. You should also work on settings. To attract an audience and advertisers, you need to create high-quality, engaging content that people want to watch. Start uploading videos. By following these steps, you can start earning money on YouTube and turn your passion into a profitable business. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.